Welcome students, today we shall cover up question answer of chapter 8 from Vista's book Memories of Childhood written by Jitkalasa and Bama. Question answers we shall cover up in this third part of the video. Word meaning, storyline, theme and the explanation we have already covered in the first and second part of this video. Well, now see the important question and answers. The question number 1 is the two accounts that you read above are based in two distant cultures. What is the commonality of theme found in both of them? The answer is both the stories of Jitkalasa and Bama are based on a common theme of prejudice and humiliation faced by marginalized communities. In America, Jitkalasa becomes a victim of the social evil practice of racial prejudice, where the Europeans consider themselves superior to the Native Americans. In India, Bama has to face the hierarchical Indian caste system and untouchability, where people from lower caste are considered impious and not allowed to touch the people from upper caste. Both Jitkalasa and Bama start protesting and resisting from a very young age. Now see the next question, number 2. It may take a long time for oppression to be resisted, but the seeds of rebellion are sowed early in life. Do you agree that injustice in any form cannot escape being noticed even by children? Now see the answer. Yes, I do agree that injustice in any form cannot escape being noticed even by children. They are keen observer and very sensitive. Their innocent eyes notice everything and get affected by any kind of injustice or discrimination. They may not be able to resist at that time, but when they get opportunity and power, they become rebellion and fight for their rights. Jitkalasa and Bama also do the same. Now the next question, number 3. Bama's experience is that of a victim of the caste system. What kind of discrimination does Jitkalasa's experience depict? What are their responses to their respective situations? The answer is Bama's experience is that of a victim of the caste system, while Jitkalasa's experience depicts racial prejudice. Bama comes to know about untouchability when she was studying in class 3rd. She becomes very angry, but on the advice of her brother, she utilizes her anger judiciously and stands first in her class. She realizes that a social change is possible only through education. Jitkalasa's long hair are shingled against her will because of being a Native American. This happens because Europeans consider themselves superior, but Jitkalasa continues to rebel by criticizing the evils of racial prejudice through her work. That's it from this chapter. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt anywhere in any part of this video, please write in the comment section. If you have doubts in any of the chapter, please you can write in the comment section. I will surely reply you. Thank you. Have a nice day.